So today we will see that how to resolve the issue of Outlook, that when we reconfigure any email ID, and it's continuously popping up for the app password and doesn't open. So this is due to the issue of Google security, which is recently launched by Google. So here we are going to add a new account. Which is for POP or IMAP account, and here it gmail.com. So we'll now next for further setting, and now it's continuously popping up where I have used the actual password to log in, but it's not let me log in. So we'll see that what is the setting in the Google part we need to do to make it workable. I will just log into Google. Go to manage your Google account. Here in the security, and I will click on two-step verification. So I will turn it on, get started. So there will be a phone verification OTP will be sent to your phone for the two-step verification using your number. So it's verified the code I have applied. Now I will turn it on. After turning it on, I will again go to the Google account, and here in the security, I need to make sure that what the app I am using, what is the third party app I am using to enable my Gmail account. So here we are using Outlook. Outlook 2013. So next we will click on app password. Select app, custom name, put the same name as the app you are going to use, and now click on generate. So this is the one-time password is generated. No need to save it further, and just copy it and paste it to the Outlook setting. And click on next. So here you can see that log on to incoming mail server is completed, but still we are facing the issue that send a test email message and that is showing failed. Okay, so we will retry this process. So in this part we need to go to more setting. Here you need to select this TLS part and port code 587 and click on OK and then next. So this is how you can complete this process, and already you can see this log on to mail server is completed. Now I click on close and finish, and we all are set to use our email ID in Outlook again. So thank you for watching this video.